Alright, good morning guys. It's your girl Hannah back with another video. I hope your week has gotten off to a decent start. If not, I hope this helps. So, I'm gonna give you guys a little no makeup look because it's summertime. And I'm also using waterproof mascara. Literally like the only waterproof mascara I've ever felt is worthy raving about, as well as all these other products I would love to rave about to you, and they will all be listed down below as well. And yeah, so I have been doing my acne skincare routine every morning and night, so I just did that. I recently posted a video called How I Cleared My Skin. Go watch that if you're wondering what my skincare routine is. I kind of also already did my moisturizer too. This is from a brand called Gold Mountain Beauty. They are a recent find of mine. This is their rose moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and diamond dust. Fancy. I also have been applying this to my skin and my hair, and this is also from Gold Mountain Beauty, but it is elixir with rosehip oil and gold dust. Anyways, no makeup look. That means we're wearing makeup, right? But it looks like we're not wearing makeup. So let's get started. This beauty sponge holder, by the way, still amazing, still blessing my life every day I do makeup. That's in my Amazon must-haves, by the way. Okay, so my first step after moisturizing and priming and everything, the next step is concealer, of course, and I'm actually not going to use any foundation for this. So now wherever I put concealer on this side, I must put it on the same area on the other side. First, I'm just gonna focus on all the blemishes that I see, and I usually always just sweep over my chin like that. And I apologize for my voice sounding raspy if it is. I am sick. I'm not sure what's going on with me. I might have to go see the doctor because I've been not having a great time with my voice, and I've been coughing up things. Sounds so gross. And now I'm just like lightly like putting some around my T-zone. You know, I'm lightly putting just a little bit on my nose. Guys, I've really been considering shaving my face, okay? Don't tell my mom. I've really been thinking about it. And like, you know, I have some peach fuzz, and I feel like it would just make my makeup look so much better. And I'm gonna just kinda... And so you can still see like my little imperfection there, but you know, it's like, it's dimmed. It's covered a little bit, and it doesn't look like it's caked over. Oh, I love this concealer so much. I'm giving myself a subtle beating right now. I know it's probably not good for aging, but I've been using this Il Makiage translucent powder. Just going to take my pinky and set my eyelids and just like my overall eye area, because that's where it gets creasy fast. I feel like this look is like an Instagram ethereal, like perfect model look. Okay, so I do have some dryness right here, but that's just my skin's reaction. And then I'm actually gonna do my chin like that too, because my chin tends to get oily. See, I feel like it kind of turned my blemishes to look kind of like freckles or moles, like beauty marks, which is always a better vibe than a pimple, right? And then I'm definitely getting my nose because that tends to get oily. Okay, eyebrows. So this can be a slippery slope, but I love using this Il Makiage eyebrow pencil, and it is very, very skinny like that. I know I need to pluck my eyebrows, but I thought it would be more fitting to just not for this video. I can appreciate a grown out eyebrow too, but I'm like feathering where I feel like it could look a little bit more full. But this is in the shade Blondie, and it is very close to my actual hair shade. That's a good natural eyebrow. Come on, guys, can we talk about Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello, please? Like, please, can we talk about them? Because I'm so obsessed. I'm like, I have not shipped a couple so hard and so long, but this is it. Now my very trusty eyebrow gel by Anastasia. I always love to make them look really fluffy and blown out like that. I feel like I've seen so many Instagram models do that look. They're just like models on Instagram that like are real models, you know. And now I'm going to be adding this mascara. It's the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara in waterproof version. Now, I did not curl my eyelashes. Kind of stamping them with the brush. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper. So my tactic basically here is to just rub the tip of my finger underneath my eyelashes so that it appears to have no product on it, because whenever they're like clumped up together, that's where it gives away that there's product sitting on it. So the more separated they are, the more natural it looks. Yet they are a lot darker now. So the blush that I've been loving is by Il Makiage as well, and it is the Poker Face Mineral Baked Blush. And I'm just lightly dabbing it just to look a little sun-kissed. Must be something that features. The most makeup-y part about this look, I think, is the blush. Now I'm going to be adding this highlighter, and it is also from Il Makiage. This is not sponsored by Il Makiage, by the way. But yeah, and I'm going to show you guys this as well. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. And now I'm gonna be adding on this lip color, and this is from the Zoella and ColourPop collaboration. This is the shade Oh Snap. It's very, very nude. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. And if you didn't already tell, I am overlining my lips a bit. I like to call myself out before someone in the comments does. And then from here, I just like to smear it all in. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Alright, and so this is my Instagram ethereal no makeup look. What do y'all think? Comment down below. How much does it look like I'm wearing makeup right now? And what gives it away for you the most? Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That would help me out a lot. Comment down below what you thought. If you're not already, please subscribe. Join this beautiful family. Okay, anyways, I think I'm done being weird on camera and embarrassing myself on the internet, but, you know, there's always, what's today? Monday? There's always Thursday. I hope you guys have a beautiful day or night or anything, wherever you are. I don't care, just have a nice one. And yeah, bye guys.